You're so cute.
It's so slippery for them.
Oh, it's starting.
I'm sorry, then he lies in it. Nice.
This is comical. Oh.
He's peeing.
Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not going to video that.
Yes,
Is
you
there
did.
metal on it?
Huh?
There's metal on it.
See if he lies in it too.
Okay.
They're either young and still dependent on mom, or they're out of the breeding bowl and they don't.
Wait, which is the youngest? Left or right?
The one on the left, I believe. I'm getting some good video here. Oh, you're so funny.
They take a dump in this.
What
They go swimming in the
Dean,
poop.
they're elephants. They don't really care.
I hope they don't drink it. Oh, it's disgusting.
This is the best.
That's a baby too. That's a young one too, huh?
Oh, they are so sweet. Oh, God, here's this big guy. Okay.
Are you videotaping this?
Yes, I'm getting it all video. 2 minutes worth now.
Oh, he's completely underwater.
I wish I would have had it turned the other way. I don't want to flip it now. This is just an elephant party. Look at this.
Except for that one.
Oh, I'm sliding.
Wow.
Oh, we might get some.
They're all getting away.
Oh, look, they are just so awesome. My hand's getting tired of holding the film.
Oh, the baby. Going under.
Oh,
Oh, one's pooping, one's peeing.
Pooping and a peeing.
I'm gonna make some noise again. It's looking right at us.
That's an old one over there.
Yeah.
This is the dominant.
Oh my gosh, it's right there. He's right there. Oh, what are you gonna do? Don't spray us with water, okay? No.
Are you gonna spray us?
Hi there.
Oh.
Oh.